How to log in Paramount Plus. Firstly, open your web browser and go to paramountplus.com. Now, then here tap on the sign in Paramount Plus option available there. Now on the home page, locate the sign in button available there. Then enter the email associated with your Paramount Plus account. After you enter it, simply tap on the submit option available there. Then type in your account password. Then tap on the sign in to access your account. If you want to log in via mobile or TV app, then open the Paramount Plus app on your device and select sign in and enter your login credentials. Alternatively, some devices may prompt you to go to a URL, example paramountplus.com/tv, and enter an activation code. And if you forgot the password, then you can simply use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.